Jared Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com, and today I'm here with Ben Nelson, who's getting a critique of his Instagram. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm pretty stoked.
Pretty stoked. All right, so the first picture has a snake, right?
Yeah.
I lied to you. We're not actually doing a critique. Remember the 1 million giveaway contest, Mega Fro giveaway?
I definitely remember that.
Yeah, you won the camera. You get to pick the camera. You are the grand prize winner.
It's past April 1st. You're not like joking with me, are you?
No, this is real deal. Congratulations.
I don't even know what to say right now. Like, I never win anything. Like, I gotta play the lottery.
So what do you think you would want priced up to $3,300 if you got to choose any camera?
I think I'm gonna probably go with a Canon mirrorless, the R, EOS R. I've been looking at it and watched your real world review and your side by side against the Sony and Nikon. I'm not really into video, so it just seems like that would be a good camera for me.
It's a good option for stills, for video, whatever you decide to do. It's mirrorless. We can get you the adapter so that you can adapt whatever lenses you have so that they can work. And yeah, what are you gonna shoot?
Well, as you can see on my Instagram, I pretty much shoot anything that's in front of me. I don't really have a style or anything. Like, I just do it in my free time. I still can't believe it.
Well, congratulations.
I really appreciate it. Thank you.
So you currently have an 80D and what lenses?
I don't have anything special. I just have 24 pancake and 50 prime. They're the only aftermarket lenses I have. Less than 2 weeks ago, someone spilled a drink on my camera, and it's been acting pretty sketchy ever since. And I was looking at having to buy a new one anyways.
Well, now I'm buying you a new one.
I like that so much better.
How do you think this will help you out with shooting?
Believe it or not, I guess you don't know me, so it's easy to believe, but I got hit in the head pretty hard a few years ago, and it's really hard for me to like remember new things. So I think having the EV is gonna make me be more accurate when I take my shots, because I'm gonna be able to see things before I, pull the shutter button, and then I won't have to clip as much. I try not to clip now, and I lose a lot of shots that way.
Oh, that's cool, because the EVF is going to be great. This is a fantastic camera for that.
Yeah, I just watched your review on it again today when I was waiting. I was going back through some of your old videos.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Did you have any idea that this might be what happened today?
My girlfriend said it's kind of weird, but I'm just, I don't know. I didn't really think, I didn't want to get my hopes up for sure, but I never win nothing, so.
Well, cool, right?
Yeah, it's the best thing that's happened to me in a very long time.
I'm glad we could get it to somebody who needs it and can use it, and will enjoy shooting. I've
been watching your videos for 2 years, ever since I bought my first camera, and you've taught me so much, like, and now you're gonna give me a camera. You're like the gift that keeps on giving. I feel so lucky.
Yeah, I love that gift that keeps on giving. I will also throw in one of the I Shoot Raw bags, and we'll put some swag together, and we'll make sure that we get you the body, the adapter, and what you need to get going.
That's
to get
amazing.
Using the EOS R.
Thank you very much, and thank you for all your free content, all your videos.
You're welcome. You're very welcome. So how cool was that? Somebody who needs a camera won a camera, and the one thing that Ben doesn't know is that I decided to send him the EOS R with the adapter, as well as the 24-105 RF lens, because he didn't really have that type of lens to put on that camera. So now he has that whole setup So here are the other winners of prizes. We've got Nikki Payne, who won the Tamron 70-200 2.8 G2. She's gonna put that on her Nikon D3500 as well as Nikon D750. So big congratulations to you for winning. Jennifer Chau is winning the ThinkTank Airport Advantage Plus roller bag. Kevin Zhang is winning the Rode VideoMic Pro. And Pierce Scribner is winning some cool stuff from Datacolor. So I want to thank everybody who entered this contest. Hopefully we can do more contests in the future, and maybe I'll be lying to you via email just to get you onto video to tell you that you actually won something. But let's leave some really good comments down below congratulating everybody on winning the contest. And thank you guys once again, Jared, Polin, FroKnowsPhoto.com. See ya.